In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your logo to Insightly email signature. Adding a logo to your email signature is a simple way to keep your messages consistent and professional. It also helps your recipients quickly recognize your brand. I will walk you through where to find the signature settings in Insightly and how to upload an image so it appears directly in your signature. Start by signing in to Insightly and looking to the top area of the screen for your profile icon. This is the User Settings menu. Click that profile icon to open your settings options. From the list, find and click Email Signatures. This is where Insightly stores the signatures you can use when sending emails. Once you are on the Email Signatures page, click Add Signature. This opens the signature editor, where you can build or update the signature that will appear in your outgoing messages. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct signature if you manage more than one. It can also help to keep your cursor positioned in the editor exactly where you want the logo to appear, such as above your name or next to your contact details. Next, in the editor toolbar, click the image icon. If there is no image selected yet, you may see an option related to adding an image link. For adding a logo directly, use the image tool so you can upload the file. When the image upload window appears, click Choose File and select your logo or signature image from your computer. For the best results, use a clear image with a reasonable size so your signature loads quickly and does not appear oversized in emails. If the logo looks too large after inserting it, adjust it within the editor if those options are available, or consider uploading a smaller version of the image. After the logo is in place and your signature looks correct, click Save. This stores the signature so it is ready to use when you send emails through Insightly. That covers everything you need to know.